Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to connect your TikTok shop to Autods. Okay, so it's a dropshipping platform. Unfortunately, it's not available here in my country where you could see it on the actual site itself, but this is how you do it. Remember, in your country, there's USPS, there's UBS. But in my country, is actually we have Lazada, and it's basically you can just basically go to Autods directly if that's what you want. But there's absolutely a way to do this on the actual shop itself. So actually, here you just have to pay, as you can see on Autods, to connect it to your shop itself. But you can look for the Autods here on the apps, the actual app store. So if your country is allowing Autods, so this is where you find it. You just basically search it here, and yeah, these are the only available dropshipping platforms connected to. I mean, it's available in my country, but if you're in a country where it's the Autods that's prevalent, you can basically look for it here, just search it here and connect. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.